what's going on, guys? Welcome to this tutorial number 4 of Android Bible app creation in Android Studio. So in the previous video we have already added the events or intents that will execute another activity, and whenever we click the button, it will present another layout that are holding the chapter. Let's view. So now we need to create another activity chapter for the content, so about chapters. So we need to create another activity, new Java, new activity, and with empty activity we need to name it book content. So book content. So we need to add the another activity for our content. So click finish. So now we have did a layout for book contents. So click Matthew chapters. So and we need to define another string array, but first we need to create we need to declare another string array. So go here in the value, so Matthew XML. So we need to declare another string array. Name will be Matthew chapters content. Item will be, so we have 27 chapters in Matthew, so we need to have 27 also in our items. So we need to copy and paste. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7. And then we need to paste the articles. So I have already the articles of Matthew chapters. So I have already. So the starting for the Matthew chapter 1. So we have already the content. So this is what we need to paste to this item. So we need to copy and paste. So we need to repeat the phrases for all of these content. So copy and paste. So chapter 3. Chapter 3. So we have chapter 4. So we need to chapter 4. Okay, so I will just post the video, and after I put the articles, then I'll just post the video. Then after all I will put the articles, I will just get back. So I will just, so now we almost finished of adding articles or content into its item. So we are now in 25. So I'll just post the video because I don't want to make the video longer, so much longer. So that is why I am posting the videos, because mostly the video will be in so much long. So I will just copy and paste. So the process will be the same for the other books. will be created. You will be creating. So you can just copy and paste. So so okay, so the book of Matthew has 28 rather, so we need to add another one item to make it 28. So okay, I'm having mistake. So telling you that chapter of Matthew will be 27, but it is 28, so we need to add. And also we need to add in chapter 28, so this should be for 28. Okay, so now we already finished for the Matthew book. We need to get back to our Matthew chapter activity. We need to declare another final string, and this is also an array, and we need to name it Matthew chapter content, chapters content, will be equals to get resources, so we need to get resources and get string array, or that array that Matthew chapter content. There. So the next will be to add one item click listener for our list view. So we need to add listener. So we need to tell our list view to add set item one item click listener with new adapter view on click listener. So one item click listener. So and here we need to define a string. So we need to define a string text, or we need to define text, string text. Text will be equals to Matthew chapter content. Index will be position. So and then we need to declare intent will be equals new intent. So not instant, it should be intent. So intent will be equals new intent. For the application context will be we can just return it by get application context. Second parameter will be the class. So the book content. So we need to pass book content that class. Okay, and okay, so let me just go back to our main activity, start the content. So our Matthew chapter, we can tell our intent to, okay, so we can tell our intent to put extra string. So intent that put extra string, and we have key value pairs with the same type string. So we need to write for the value string, for the key string will be articles. Then for the value will be our text. is this one. So we need to pass text. Then so we need to start activity, and then now in our book chapter content, so we have chapter content will be linear layout, so it should be linear layout with elements. This will be text view, so its parent, graph content, ID will be text view 2, so text style will be bold, text size will be 24 SV. So need to assign text will be insert text, and you can just assign it from our string, so we need to grab it from our string value. So string will be text. Okay, layout will be, so gravity will be start, so we need to gravity will be start. Okay, so now we have already book content. So so let's view, we need to declare text view. Okay, so let us just check book content. So book content class will set content layout will be this one, main layout. But first we need to add material chapters, and we need to add another activity. Activity will be book content. Excuse me. Label will be versus. Okay, so we have a problem. Book content. Duplicate registration activity book content. Okay, so we don't need to declare it again because it is already defined right here. So we need to have label. So we need to have label versus we have material chapter. That's body. What do you mean? Body. So we have done, and we need to get back to our book content and declared, since this one will be for our articles, so we need to declare text view. Let's make it private. Text view. Text view. Text view will be by view by ID with r.id dot text view 2. again, we can declare string text will be equal to get intent dot get string extra. Then the name will be our Matthew chapter. This will be the reference of name articles. So we need to go to our book content and pass the reference name or reference string. Then we need to set the text view text. So we need to text view dot set text with text. Okay, that's it. So this is for our book content. So for articles. So now we need to go back to our Matthew chapter. So book content class. So let us check if there were no errors. Then this should be good. Excuse item only clear. We need to get back to our book content will be text view. Layout will be content articles. Then to our main activity. So whenever we start activity, it will be this chapter class. Then chapter class will be set the adapter, and then chapter. So let us now try to install and see what is the result. So now our time will be 12:53. So let us run, and hopefully there were no errors. So I will again post my videos. So, and after it will be installed, I will just get back. So the video will not be so much long. So I hope you can understand. So I do apologize. So let me just pause and get back to you as it will be as soon as it will be installed to our Android, to my Android device. So now install successfully finished. So we already installed it into our phone. So now we need to check. So I will just minimize, and we need to open our screen mirror. So okay, so I will just show you. So let us just wait. So you can see now. So if we try to run, you can see that we have a list view of books. Then whenever we click, so we have chapter 1, and so we have whenever we click chapter 1, so we can see that the chapter content or the content or the articles label will reverses. So that is how for the Matthew. The rest will be the same process for the other books. So the other thing before we need to implement will be the scroll view. So the user can scroll. So whenever he will be viewing the content. So let's just change let us add or change the linear layout to scroll view. So scroll view. So this will allow the user to scroll the view, so the content. So this one. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and if you learned something within this tutorial, so the rest book, so the other books rely with those patterns that you already seen within this tutorial. So the rest of the book, so this one, so the mark and the other books have the same pattern. So